Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall any program in your Mac. There's several ways to uninstall a program, and I'm going to show you the first one. Launch Finder and then go over to Applications. In here you're going to locate the application you want to delete. You select the application, you right click the application, and you move the application to trash. The second way that you could delete an application is by going to the LaunchPad, and if you left click and hold, you could move from the first to the second screen. And once you find the application that you want to delete, you go ahead and press the left click, you hold it until you see the application shaking like that. It looks similar to the iPhone, and you're gonna see an X into the applications that you could actually delete from the Launchpad. So the application I wanted to get rid of doesn't have the X, therefore I cannot delete it from the Launchpad. The third way that you could delete an application would be with a third-party software. I have one in here, and it's called CleanMyMac 3. Of course, you may have to pay for this program, but if you go online, you may be able to get it for free. CleanMyMac 3 is efficient and more thorough than deleting the application manually, because it will find any files associated with that program and delete it for you. So once you click the uninstaller, go ahead and find the application you want to get rid of. Once you select the application, on the right side you're gonna see everything that you found about the application. So it's gonna really clean your Mac and get rid of everything that's associated with the app. And that's different than when you go to Finder, Applications, and you right click in the app and moving it to trash. It's still gonna get rid of the app, but there might be some things that are gonna live in your Mac and it won't get rid of until you get rid of them yourself manually. Okay, and then just click uninstall and the application will be uninstalling. And the uninstall is complete. If you want to see it through the applications, I'm gonna go ahead and delete another application here. Let's get rid of Spotify. So if you right click, move to trash, it's just gonna disappear, and then on the trash you're still gonna have to basically empty the trash. Alright, so that's how you basically uninstall any applications on your Mac. I appreciate you watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.